Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Thoughtful Moments dies and the Thoughtful Moments hybrid embossing folder. So this is how it works. The die goes inside the folder. You put a 6x6 piece of paper there and you emboss and cut out these words, and it was because that says with sympathy, and I didn't have any sympathy stamp sets at the current moment. I'm gonna have to look into that. Anyway, I wanted to share this product with you. Firstly, I had a need for it, and secondly, it is last chance. And when I say last chance, think retiring. You can only get it for, until it all sells out. So here is a piece of 6x6 designer series paper. It is called Scenic Coast. It is currently unavailable until June the 22nd, but I have a piece of white card there, and I was sort of just getting a feel of where I needed this piece of designer series paper to be. I needed it a certain height, and I want it's for my card front. So I'm cutting off sort of like a 1/2 inch on this side and on that side. And then I went to, it's about 3 3/4 tall. So, and then I will share, don't fret. I'm going to share the measurements with you straight away in a minute. So I think I ended up cutting that piece at 1 1/4. And then the second piece is 2 1/4. And then the third piece is 1 1/4 by 3 3/4. So here we go. Here's one little sticky note, and then I just have to cut this other paper, and then we need 2 pieces cut like that. So I would consider this card a triptych. That is what they called it. TRYPIC, I think. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Triptych. Anyway, so this is petal pink, and that is a color in the designer series paper, and I'm going to adhere everything on it, but I'm leaving about a 1/8 or so inch around all the pieces. So how I do this is I put one piece down. I try not to stick it too down in case I have to move it. Like I did this one, I sort of just tacked the end down right there, and then I realized that was just a little wrong. So I went back in, and yeah, you just sort of tack it a little bit. If you used tear tape, you only have to rip off a little bit. And then, yeah, I've seen a lot of people use tear tape in that way, where they don't have the backing fully removed. They just have a little piece, and then that's how they can really position it crazy. I'm a Virgo, but I'm not that Virgo. So anyway, so this embossed and die cut piece, it was, because it's white, it wasn't showing up very well, and I'm going over with a finger dauber. This happens to be the finger dauber for my Highland Heather. I didn't ink up the Highland Heather. I just wanted it very, very soft. So you can't really tell the pressure I'm doing, but it's taken me a while to actually impact that die cut with ink. And it's because my pressure is so very light. I did not want this to be in your face. This sympathy card, you want it to be calming and reflective. And that is the reason why I chose the Scenic Coast. And then I realized that it was currently unavailable until June 22nd. So it is coming. It's coming back. You'll be able to get it. It's beautiful, right? I did do, here's my card base. This is where the Highland Heather comes in. Also, Highland Heather is reflective on the designer series paper. You can see I slathered the back of that petal pink with dimensionals, and then I'll put that on the card front. It's very simple. Mondays are simple cards, if you hadn't noticed. So Tuesdays, yeah, hang around till Wednesday, I should say, because that's a fun one. Anyway, here I used a little bit of the same pattern paper, but just on the inside of the card. And basically it is A2 so that I don't have to write so much, because you never know what to write in a card. And B, it is my New Year's resolution to do something on the inside of every card. So that's what I'm doing. Anyway, so that piece was what, 4 by 5 1/4 for the inside piece. And I'm going to leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it so much. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below, and I'll be back on Wednesday. Hope to see ya. Bye for now.